Hi everyone, this is Julian from EvoLearn, and I just wanted to do a quick overview on the latest HPE storage announcement, and I wanted to kind of phrase it from the point of view of our EvoLearn sales methodology that you'll also learn or will already be aware of if you've been on any of our Sales Academy courses. So recently HPE announced the HPE Alletra Storage MP, which is the world's first disaggregated scale-out storage array that can handle multi-protocols with 100% availability. But what does that actually mean? So traditionally, you'll have customers that need to store lots of different types of data, because it's the data that's important to their organization. But that data can come in several different formats. You've probably heard the terms block, file, and object. So block data is kind of machine data that's needed for applications and virtual machines. File data tends to be the files that you and I as human beings want access to during our day jobs. And object storage tends to be that huge amount of mind-boggling data in various different formats that's being created all the time, in particular by IoT devices and sensors and all sorts of technology that we're using these days in the modern world. And the Alletra Storage MP is a big deal because it's multi-protocol. So traditionally, in order to be able to handle all of these different types of storage, block, file and object, your customers have had to buy different storage devices to do that. I know there have been storage arrays around for a while that say that they can do block and file, but they tend to be kind of a jack of all trades and master of none. So there's still a tendency for your customers to need to buy separate storage arrays, which of course, as we know, adds extra cost, extra management, extra licensing, extra power, extra cooling. So it's not brilliant from an ROI and a TCO perspective. So the big deal about the HPE Alletra MP is that it can handle all of these different types of data on its own without any compromise. This gives you a great opportunity to talk to your customers about their data transformation strategy. Data is the lifeblood of every organization, so how they protect the data, how they manage the data, and how they optimize the data is really important. So if you think about the EvoLearn sales methodology, we talk about those three features: manage, optimize, and protect data. That's what's really important to a business. So let's start with the optimization. How does Alletra MP help customers optimize their data? Well, as we've already mentioned, it's multi-protocol. So it's now one device that can handle any type of data storage requirement the customer needs, which is obviously going to save them a lot of costs and a lot on their ROI and total cost of ownership, because now it's one device to manage, one device to power, one device to cool, one device that can do everything. And it's been designed from the ground up with a brand new architecture to handle all of those things equally well. So that other great feature of the Alletra Storage MP is that scale out design, which means it's designed to grow in any direction. So this is an array that your customer can start small and literally scale it all the way up to that 100% availability mission critical storage array. If they need to add more capacity, they can add more capacity. If they need to add more performance, they can add more performance. So it really does grow and scale in any direction to meet the changing business requirements that your customer might have. From a management perspective, HPE Alletra MP can be managed through the HPE GreenLake platform. What that means is it uses the Data Services Cloud Console for simple cloud management. As long as the IT person has a device with a browser, they can manage their Alletra storage array wherever it is or from wherever they are. And of course, DSCC uses intent-based or application-aware provisioning. So there's no real complicated configuration like there used to be for storage arrays in the olden days. It means you can literally tell the storage array what you're going to use it for, what type of storage you want, and it will set itself up, and it will do that in an automated manner. So obviously that's a huge time saver. That's also going to prevent errors that can crop up in manual configurations, and it frees up a lot of the time from the IT staff, who can then spend their day working on helping the business rather than working on configuring storage arrays. And it goes without saying that Electra MP also supports HPE InfoSight for that predictive, preventative analytics AI ops that we all know and love, that really does predict and prevent most of the issues that occur with storage arrays, which really helps again reduce the amount of time that the IT staff need to spend firefighting. And in fact, they shouldn't really need to spend much time firefighting, because InfoSight will spot any problems before they occur, and they will inform IT and they can fix it before it breaks. And how does Electra MP support your customers from a protection point of view? Well, it does scale all the way up to that mission critical 100% availability for those customers that need that level of reliability. And it goes without saying that it fully supports the whole suite of HPE GreenLake services that can also sell to go alongside the HPE Electra MP array. So solutions like HPE GreenLake for block storage, HPE GreenLake for file storage, HPE GreenLake for backup and recovery, and also fully supports HPE GreenLake for disaster recovery, which is the world's fastest recovery from ransomware that's available on the market today. So in summary, you've got the ability now to talk to your customers about a brand new storage array that really will fulfill all of their data storage requirements, and it will help them optimize, manage and protect all of the data that they're using to keep their business working. The data is the lifeblood of the business. So from an immediate kind of sales opportunity point of view, have a look at your customer database and see who has got aging arrays, because this is a great time now to put them onto a more modern platform that will scale as their business scales. So in particular, check if you've got any customers that are running older HPE FreePAR solutions. It's about time that we talk to those customers about modernizing those solutions. And of course, you've got the opportunity to also add services to that sale. The data will need to be migrated from the FreePAR array to the new HPE Electra MP storage array. So why not sell some HPE PointNext services to handle the migrations, or sell your own services in order to do those? You can handle the migrations, the implementations, the installations. You can sell as many services as you like to increase the size of that deal.